Hey guys, welcome again for another video. This time we are unboxing HUAWEI FreeBuds Pro, the intelligent dynamic ANC and voice mode. So the box, as you can see, it's pretty much similar, I'd say, to an Apple AirPod Pro. We've removed the shrink wrap, and inside we have the case, which also doubles as a charging case. In the box, I can see the standard charging cable, instructions, and the charger. It does not come with charger, but that can be used essentially with any other charger, I believe. Inside, I can see that there's some earpods of different sizes, so you can use those. Right, let's go and open up the box here. Here you can see, nicely finished. Finish comes in, I believe the color is silver. They call it on the website, but I think it's more silver gray. There you go. Here are the FreeBuds Pro. As you can see, it's in silver finish, quite nice and shiny. Look quite similar to what you would see in from a design perspective, very similar to AirPods. And you put this back in the charging case, and you can see the green light activating, which I believe is that it is charging, and shut it down, and you've got the case. I haven't tested these out, but once I do, I'm going to leave some reviews on that as well. So thanks for watching the video. This is HUAWEI FreeBuds. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like it. Please, if you have any questions, leave in the comments below. Bye-bye.